Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to get millions of views, but I'll be honest with it. It is very risky, and that is why you check my channel and you will not see that I have thousands or even millions of views, because I don't want to do it. But I know people that do it, and then what they do at the long run is to acquire those subscribers, those watch hour, and then they delete those videos that brought them the views. It is risky in a whole lot of ways, in the sense that you can get copyrighted, you can get your channel taken from you. Yes, you can get your channel taken from you, you can be flagged, you can be temporarily suspended, and you can be permanently expelled from YouTube. It is not funny, but yeah, that's the reality of doing this. I tried it at some point to just understand how it works, and I realized that it has potential, but I don't think I want to risk it. Yeah, I don't want to risk it. And what is this thing I've been talking about? It is called Restream. So what is Restream? Restream.io is a website that you go to upload your home videos or an interesting video that is not yours, and you put it on different platforms. It works for YouTube, and I don't know, I think for TikTok, a platform that has live stream where you can live stream things. Any social media platform, yes, you can use Restream for it. They have paid version and free version. This is not sponsored in any way, but that is the app people use to get millions and thousands of views. Let me tell you how it works. I'm not going to put any tutorial on the screen, because I don't think I want someone to do it and at the long run they get banned or temporarily suspended. I just want to tell you that this is how people do it and they escape it. They go to the platform, they take a video that is very interesting outside of the platform, and most time it is always like all these ASMR videos that you want to watch it on a norm, because ASMR is a soothing video. They take that video and they go to the website. There's a part on the website where you upload the video and you make it loop. So it can loop for more than 10 hours. It can loop for as long as you put it. So people take those videos, they put it in loop and they leave it on their YouTube channel. And the funniest thing is you can leave it on your YouTube channel and it will be working in the background. You can be doing any other thing on your phone. It does not affect it. You don't have to be online. Just make sure that website is active. So you put the video, and then the video is just going to be looping, a looping ASMR video that seem interesting, and people, you see people commenting, people liking, and all of those things. And I know channels from that have gotten their 1,000 subscriber, their 4,000 watch hour. Yes, that is because in a day a video can bring thousands, if not millions, of views. And yes, your live stream counts to your watch hour, it counts. So people do that. So when I figured that, oh, this thing can actually make you, lose your channel, you can get copyrighted because those videos are not yours. I did some research and I realized that you can actually use your own video on that platform. That's the only part that is making me do this video for you guys. In case someone wants to try it out, you can use your video. But the thing about it is, I don't know if your video will be able to bring views, because it is the video you're uploading that will drive you. So it has to be an interesting video. That's how most people go for ASMR video and loop it. So do you think you can put your own video and loop it, and you feel people will watch as they will watch the ASMR video? If you think they would, then you can go ahead and do it. If it is your video, you're not going to be copyrighted because that is your video. So that's the only way you cannot get copyrighted or have an issue. And you can get copyrighted if you use your video, if in that video there is a sound or a music or a sound that is copyrighted that is being played in that video. So the way you can do it and not get copyrighted in any shape or form is to make it your own video, Make sure that in that video there's no sound or music that is playing in the background or in the video that can get you copyrighted. And the last but not the least is look at the video and make sure it is an interesting one and go ahead. On the app, I don't know how it works in the sense that the payment plan, I don't know. I don't know how many trials you have for the free version, but I know there is a free version, and I believe the duration is what might restrict you for the free version. That is what most people use. Most people that are trying to get their 1,000 subscriber, get their 4,000 watch hour, they use Restream for it. Yes, that's it. That's just the secret behind it. I've seen people. It was a pandemic like earlier this year, a huge pandemic, and I tried it because it was everywhere. So that I'm going to understand it, and I was like, nice, but I don't want to use someone's video. You get? I want it to be mine, but I've not seen that my video that will be like, this video people will watch it. I've not seen it. So you also have to bear in mind that you need strong network connection. You need enough data to, and you need your phone to be fully charged for for the video to keep running for hours, because the longer the hour, the more your watch hour, the more your watch time. And definitely when you're getting thousands of subscribers, you get thousands of views. So now I'm going to wrap this video up by listing the disadvantage of using Restream. Yes, you get your 1,000 subscriber. Yes, you get your 4,000 watch hour. But to what end? You realize that the views you are getting, the millions of views you are getting, the thousands of views you are getting, it is just in your live stream. Your long form content, let's leave short, your long form content would be struggling, because I have seen channels that were using, live stream, and they were getting thousands of subscribers. I know a channel that had almost 20K subscribers because we were doing live stream consistently, but there was an issue. Their long form content that they were uploading, because they upload long form content, was not getting up to 100 views. The one that's getting up to 100 views is not passing 500 views. You see 50 views, you see 100 views, and your subscriber is 20,000 subscribers. But when you go to the live stream, you see 1 million views, you see 500 views, you see 200,000 views. To what end? That's the disadvantage. Advantage is you get your subscriber, you get your watch hour, you get paid. Yes, you get paid using live stream. So far, when you are done with the live stream, you make it public and you upload it on your channel. If you make it private or you delete it, the watch hour is not going to count. Yes, and you're not going to get paid. I hope you know that. So now that you know all of these things, do what you will with this video, and I hope you do the right thing, and I wish you the very best. So thank you so much for watching. Do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post any new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.